Dude, look at what he did to
Good
the
morning.
dog. The engine just turned off.
Oh my
Look
god.
what they've done! You guys are crazy!
We're gonna crash the party here.
Hey my friends. Have you ever wondered on how to create a viral billboard track that get over 1 billion streams on Spotify? If so, then listen closely. As many of you know, EDM songs are no longer the dominant music style in the industry these days. However, there is one producer who always manages to be at the top, and his name is Tiesto. Tiesto is a real hit maker, and for some reason he always knows what is popular. I'm going to show you this today based on his last worldwide hit, The Business. We go deep into what makes a successful hit, and how you can increase your chances of also producing a global hit. So let's go. The most important basis for producing a hit like The Business is of course the vocals. Without vocals nothing works these days. To land a viral EDM song that is well received in the mainstream you need super simple vocals with a catchy melody.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
These melodies is a perfect example of this. Once you have the vocals it gets really exciting. You're probably wondering what made Tiesto's track so special, and according to my research it's due to the following things. Tiesto took elements from the EDM genre that was super hyped at the time, and he combined it with a softer pop production, and it went viral. The genre that was so popular to that time was slap house. It is a genre focused on a deep and strong bass line which really slapped, like song called In My Mind by Dinoro. Or like the remix of Travis Scott's Goosebumps by HVME. But the interesting thing is that Tiesto didn't produce a heavy EDM club track like Dinoro. Instead, as I said, he produced the song much softer and minimal so that it can be played well on the radio. I first used two plucky basses for the bass line. And then to fill it up a bit, I placed a raise bass and a sub bass underneath. The plucky basses have simple processing like distortion, EQ, sidechain, and also a bit of compression. The raise bass has also a low cut to make space for the sub bass. Together the bass layer sounds to this. It's really not too heavy, it's super simple. To make it even more poppy, Tiesto added an electric guitar on that bass line. And the drums couldn't be simpler. In the first part there is only the kick, and in the second part there are claps and perks. To make the track even more catchy, a few FX samples and slap claps added. But as you can see guys, the track is super well thought out and it is not overproduced. In the next part of the chorus he added a simple pad chord pattern that just following the vocal and some drum loops. And it might sound crazy to you, but these are all elements of the drop. Sometimes less is more guys, and when you look on how the verse is produced, it is even simpler. Like in the first part of the verse he just have a raise bass playing the root note of the chord progression the whole time and a pad playing just one chord.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this.
But this really keeps the attention.
Million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
In the second part of the verse it slides into the actual chord progression and some snaps for the rhythm which really catches your attention and keeps you listening.
So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. Friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business.
So I think the best lesson you can learn from this song is the psychological part. I think this track is really well thought out when it comes to the arrangement and how minimalistic it is produced. For example, they kept the intro as short as possible to come as quick as possible to the vocal, and the intro pad chord is catchy enough to keep the listener, because it has the nice cut-off automation. And the vocal melody just soaks you into the song. It's like start watching an epic movie.
Let's get down to business.
You just want to know what comes next. Same with the staying bass note for the first part of the verse. It just keeps you listening. And that's the magic which makes a track have the potential to go viral. Before we listening to the final result, I have to bring you the best news you have ever got. This entire track is made with my EDM Essentials bundle, which comes with over 7,000 sounds for all kinds of EDM genres. This bundle can really skyrocket your music producer career. And the absolute best part is that in about 2 hours when this video is out, the EDM Essentials bundle will be released at 8 PM Central European Time. The first 50 producers get a crazy 84% discount. So guys, hurry up before the discounts are gone, because they will be gone quicker than Usain Bolt. And I almost forgot, you can download these FLP for free with all the used samples and presets because I love you. Now let's listen to the final result.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. Friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business. We're back and forth with the bullshit. And all said before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention. It might hurt to hit it. Don't ever fall away. We can't leave them if you stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. Let's get down to business.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.